Kia ora. We're really excited to let you know about something big happening here at Toi Whakaari. From 2026 we'll be launching our brand new NZQA accredited Bachelor of Performing Arts with endorsements in acting, design and production. This new program brings together everything Toi Whakaari is known for, world-class hands-on training, and refreshes it with a more flexible, collaborative and future-focused approach. It replaces our previous degrees in acting, design for stage and screen and performing arts management, bringing them all under one korowai. The heart of our training remains the same deep practical learning in your chosen discipline. But now it's backed by a learning model that reflects the fast-changing world of the creative industries in Aotearoa and beyond. We've worked closely with our staff, students, grads and industry partners to shape this new program, and we're proud of how it honours our 50-year tradition of evolving to meet the moment. So what's new? You'll still get specialist training in acting, design or production, but now you'll also collaborate more across disciplines, work on live, screen and digital projects, explore Mātauranga Māori woven throughout your learning, hone your professional practice including through real-world placements, and broaden your skill set with courses outside your main discipline. It's a program built for the next generation of storytellers, creators, makers and performers, grounded in Aotearoa, guided by Te Tiriti o Waitangi and ready for wherever your unique creative path takes you. Applications for 2026 are open now. Head to our website at toiwhakaari.ac.nz to find out more. See you soon. Kia ora.